You can create and manage a support case using the SMA Sunny Chatbot, our OSC's virtual assistant. Log into the SMA Online Service Center at my.sma-service.com. Click the chat bubble in the lower right corner. Accept the terms, and begin the chat. Select Get Support. Then choose Create a new case. Choose your inquiry type, and follow the instructions. Enter the serial number, error codes, plant name, information about your issue and measurements. After submission, Sunny displays the case number and provides a link to view the case. You can return to the main menu, request a live agent, or end the chat. Make updates to your case by going to My Cases or directly through the Sunny Chatbot. Sunny Chatbot, a quick and easy way to get the help you need.